Hello everyone, and welcome to my third episode of Friday Sews. So I guess I'll start off with I've been working on this week, and that is Simplicity 8912, which is this pattern right here. And I'm making the view that the model is wearing. So this week has been very busy for me, and I have been working diligently in the evening and the night to complete my final entry for the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge, and that deadline is going to be this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and I am pretty much done with it, but I do need to add the bias tape for the sleeve finishings and the motif or appliques, whatever you want to call them. But that's all I need to do, and it will be completed, and then I am going to post that on Sunday, actually the last day, so you can look out for that, because I will have a YouTube video for that, and I will also post it on Instagram and on my blog. So yeah, that's been keeping me busy, because I've been busy throughout the daytime where I really can't get to that, and the evenings and the nights is just where I take the opportunity to do me. So that is pretty much all I've been working on as far as sewing projects. But I would like to share with you my sewing plans for May, because I did not get that video out, and I figure, hey, why not add it to my Friday sews. So I have 2 additional garments that I want to sew for the month of May, which leads me to talk about my May sewing plans, because I did not get that video out as planned. Now, I know the month of May is almost over. Well, I should say it's halfway over, but I at least wanted to share what else is on my sewing table so that you can know what to expect from me project wise. So I'll go ahead and share that. And so along with my current project, Simplicity 8912, I also plan to make that Ada peplum. This pattern is a brand new indie pattern that was designed by Dewana Chandler, and her Instagram for her new pattern company is Dewana DIY Patterns. I found out about this pattern by way of the monthly Sew Your View, or hashtag Sew Your View pattern of the month. If you don't know what hashtag Sew Your View is, it's an Instagram account that was created by Monica of That's So Monica, and she assigns a takeover host guest who picks the monthly pattern to sew, and that host guest is every month she does that. So Dewana, again, is the person that is going to be taking over the account this month, and she is also the creator of this pattern. So I don't purchase many indie patterns because I absolutely hate putting them together, but I do try to support the sewing community in some way, shape, or form every month. So I decided to put on my big girl pants and suck it up, because I really want to support the new indie company that she has created, and that will be my contribution. So my last plan for May is super duper exciting. I am doing another collaboration that will publish on Sunday, May 30th. So set your calendars for that. And that collaboration is with Renata of the Twilight Stitcher. And she goes by that handle here on YouTube and also on Instagram. She and I recently purchased one of the Mimi G New Spring patterns, and that's Simplicity 9261, this one right here. And we purchased that during one of our fabric hauls. So she did a fabric haul on her own, I did a fabric haul on my own, and we both ended up with those patterns. And so we just decided that we would do a collab and make it together. So how fun is that? I absolutely think this is going to be super fun, and I am excited and anxious to see how this is going to look on me, especially since I have been shying away from more form-fitted dresses. But I do think that it would be okay because it does kind of have a little bit of a flare towards the bottom, and there's a fluttery type thingy on the sleeve if you look at the picture, and so that kind of takes away from the super fitted look. So we shall see, but again, stay tuned for that. That's going to be Sunday, May 30th for that reveal, and I'm not sure which fabric I want to use yet. I have several picks of fabric that I am kind of indecisive on, and I'm trying to figure that out. But I will put pictures of the fabrics in here so that you can kind of let me know which one you think would be great for this style of dress. So just let me know in the comments below. On another note, I do have some exciting sewing news. I have talked about several different times how much trouble my serger has given me over time, and it still does. And I think I figured something out, guys. I am currently using it for this project of Simplicity 8912, and while I was using it, the threads got all tangled up. I don't know what happened. It had something to do with how it was wound up before it was packaged. Somehow it got twisted, but anyway, it got tangled up and I had to rethread it. And while rethreading it, I took out some time to try to figure out, you know, why it's so loose and things like that. And I tell you, I have the best stitches on this particular project from that serger that I have ever seen from that machine. So while it's not perfect, it is much better, and I now know that I just need to get a little bit more acquainted with the machine, but we're getting there, and I thought I would share my win. Other than that, life is excellent, and my family and I are planning for our vacation coming up here soon, which always makes me happy. I love a good vacation. But that is it for my Friday Sews this week. My current project and the projects to look forward to, and yeah, we got to win on the serger. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you would like to. And if you are returning, I thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.